This is Newsfix.
To see or not to see? That's what's got one Playboy playmate in hot water in a gym locker room. 2015 playmate Danny Mathers took a picture of a naked woman in her 70s, then posted the pic that read, "If I can't unsee this, then you can't either." Mathers claimed she was sending the post to a friend and didn't realize it went out over Snapchat. Soon, the LAPD got involved.
If somebody takes a picture of another person in a state of undress without their knowledge or permission, then that person has committed a crime.
Local defense attorney Loretta Powers says not only is this a criminal matter, but the naked woman in the picture can sue for damages.
Because unfortunately for this woman, it is nearly impossible to get your naked photo taken off the internet.
But it took LAPD a while to track down the elder and the buff.
I run my bath. I run my medicine.
TMZ is reporting they did find the woman and will be filing charges. In California, the charge is a misdemeanor with a maximum sentence of 6 months in jail. But try that in Texas, and it's a whole different matter.
Actually, a third-degree felony, punishable by 2 to 10 years in a state jail prison.
Besides being booted from the gym, Mathers has since apologized and taken down the post. But even if she meant to send her post to one person, attorneys say she broke the law no matter how many people saw it.
I wouldn't be surprised if the law enforcement officers over there made an example of her and went for the maximum.
Our big story this morning on Eye Opener, the victim in a body-shaming scandal involving a Playboy model has come forward. And thanks for joining us this morning on Eye Opener. I'm Layla Muhammad.
Hey everybody, thanks for hanging out with us. I'm Oliver Toh.
Hey, we've been talking about this story for a while. This is just plain mean, right? And disrespectful.
Absolutely.
Police in Los Angeles say they found the woman in the picture. Now, you may recall 29-year-old Danny Mathers took this picture back in July. She claimed she thought she was sending it to just one friend, when in fact it went to her Snapchat followers. The gym where it all happened, LA Fitness, tweeted shortly after the incident went viral. Quote, "Her behavior is appalling and puts members at risk. We ended membership and she can't use any club. It's not just our rule, it's common decency." So what's going to happen to Mathers?
Well, Hillary Kennedy, our very own Hillary Kennedy, has got the scoop. Hillary?
Thanks, guys. Good morning. Even though Mathers thought her snap was innocent, it is a serious crime, one that could land her behind bars for up to 6 months. The LAPD launched an investigation, and here's why. According to laws, if someone takes a picture of someone naked without their knowledge or permission, then that person is committing a crime. Mathers' lawyer says she never tried to hurt anyone at the time and never tried to break any laws, but that doesn't matter. In fact, the woman in the picture can sue her.
Because unfortunately for this woman, it is nearly impossible to get your naked photo taken off the internet. I wouldn't be surprised if the law enforcement officers over there made an example of her and went for the maximum.
Well, around the time of the incident, Mathers tweeted out, "I'm sorry for what I did. I need to take some time to myself now to reflect on why I did this horrible thing."
Well, you're sorry now that you realize you could face some punishment, but if she thought it was funny.
Well, and absolutely, and I hope that this is a lesson for other people too who think that you can record someone like that in a state of undress without their knowledge, because if you get caught, and you will, you'll be prosecuted.